One of the things that I've been involved with here at Bowling Green has been our choirs. So I've been involved in the class choirs. I was part of the a cappella choir, and I am currently the treasurer. And then I am also a member of the collegiate chorale, which is our top audition-based choir here at Bowling Green. I love being a part of those. We get to make music both on and off campus. I have gone on 2 choir tours, and I'm going on my 3rd tour this year. And I'm really excited for that. So I went to Washington, D.C. with the a cappella choir last year, and this year I went to Chicago with chorale. And it has been a blast. I've absolutely adored getting these chances to go off campus. We get to show high school students about BG and about what we do at the College of Music. So I've absolutely loved being in the choirs and doing all of that.